me just explain the backstory. Actually, no, there's no backstory. I'm shaving my hair off again, guys. There's gonna be no Adri shaving it off this time. It's tradition again on my channel that Adri does come on, shave it off, give me some whack hairstyle when I've told him to give me a shape up. But anyways, guys, happy new year. It is now the end of January. Can't lie, I haven't recorded anything. But I'm back. Well, didn't really make a difference, but okay, so I'm not gonna lie, for the last week I've been wearing this headscarf. The only reason I take it off is to go in the shower. I haven't brushed my hair for the last week, so it's flat as hell. I don't know how this razor is gonna go through it because anyways, I want to lay my wig. I want to lay my wigs flat, and I'm not going on a hair journey, but I do want to experiment with my hair, so that's one of the ones. I'm going to be short for, I'd say, the whole year. Maybe next year I will do a journey of my hair. Anyways, we don't need to hear that. Yeah, the lip gloss didn't help. Anyways, I'm actually very excited, guys. I can't lie. You know, I get a real buzz of shaving my hair. Oh, there's no going back now. I'm having second thoughts. Let me stop. Okay. It looks like a hat. So I shaved my hair, and I did want to shave it because obviously I wanted my wigs to lay flat. Of course, I shaved it again because of my hair was just completely damaged. And you just know me with the clippers, I'm addicted, you know what I mean? So since that last video of me shaving my hair, it's been, I'd say, probably 3 weeks. Yeah, I'd say it's been around 3 weeks. I brought you here just to show you how I slay my wig on this bold ass head. And this video is with DIVASWIGS. I'm not gonna lie, this wig is really nice what they sent me. I'm not really a fan of frontal these days. It's just too much effort. I ain't going nowhere for me to be sticking up my frontals from ear to ear and all that stuff. So closures are just, you know what I mean? You get a brush. Gigi Beauty Gabrielle Steerway. 100% Brazilian virgin hair. Hair length is 22 inches, 150% density, which is amazing because the wig is, it's really good. Bleached knots, available in natural black. Hairline, upgraded realistic hairline. You get a wig cap, which I'm going to put on now because the sight of my head looking like this, I haven't brushed it, I haven't done nothing, is really, it's testing me. At least it goes with my outfit anyway. Okay, so this is the wig here. This is literally fresh out the box. As you can see, the lace is still on there. This is her. This is she. She is cute. She is wavy. And she is movable. Here we go. This is what we're working with today. You can see the lace is really nice. It's not no dark lace like, you know, them brown laces I'm been seeing. It's all about what your preference is. If you want to invest in your wigs, then go for a clear lace, go for transparent lace, all that stuff. So here we go. This is what the hairline is saying also. No. So yeah, let's place this on my hair. It's got wig combs as well in there and a strap, which I love. This is what helps me secure it down without having to like glue it down and all that rubbish. Okay, so I'm using this foundation solely because it's a thick foundation. When it comes to like putting foundations on the lace and stuff like that, you don't want it to drip because, again, anybody got time for that. Amounts I'll be putting on, literally just painted on. Okay, so for extra security, like I said, I like to put the bands on like that. And let's see how she's fitting. Ooh. Show you the hairline. Not looking bad. So here. So this is her on here. Okay, so I'm literally just gonna go now, cut the lace off. So soft. Oh, I like getting a fresh new wig, guys. Okay, so here comes the styling part. So we're gonna stop this talking and just get right into styling it. So get styling her. We can get right into styling her. Oh, she cute. I thought to do a cheeky side. What do you think? Now, because when it comes to size, I like my ear out, and obviously you can't have your ear out with this wig. So we're going to do a middle. Okay, so let's style. Probably like 3 minutes worth of styling. So stay tuned.
Producer.
Okay guys, so I'm back. As you can see, the hair is on my head now, somewhat together. I'm not gonna lie, I got really lazy when it came to wigs, so my skills have literally that I tried anyways. You can't say I didn't try. Child, I messed up. I actually butchered the hell out of this wig. When it comes to these layers, I want to do some cheeky layers, and these scissors, I swear I found them I don't even know where I found them, but best believe they're blunt as hell, and I don't know what the hell I was doing either, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Anyways, this is the hair, guys, and of course I'm gonna do my makeup. I do some slow-mos obviously when I'm all slayed, but I wanted to come and show you how easy it was to lay this wig. It's one of my go-to wigs. Oh guys, I think I'm gonna put some highlights in her. I feel like I should, you know, at the front and then at the back. What do you think? This is what she looks like here. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, then please comment down below. Also like up this video, please, I beg. She's laying flat, she's looking cute or whatever. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.